Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a quick project share. I am, as I mentioned before in a previous video, I am doing a swap with a lady that lives in Australia. She was looking for something in particular and I had told her I was going to send it to her, and it just kind of turned into a swap. So anyway, I created a flip book for her and I wanted to share what I created. It's been such a long time since I've made a flip book, but I did have a lot of fun creating this, and I have a hard time making a flat flip book. I always over embellish or overstuff pockets, but I'm happy with the way it came out and I hope she likes it too. This is the first page of the flip book, and I did create a shaker using one of my dies in my stash. I think it's Jen Long, I'm not really sure, I can't remember. But I did use some pieces of ephemera that I bought from Tuesday Morning, and then I just created the shaker, added some glitter bits and sequins in there. And it just says happy. I just layered the heart, and I did add some Winkastella, so it is a little bit shiny on the hello and the heart. It does have a little glimmer to it. Really, really cute. So that's the first page. And then as you open it up, it says happy looks amazing on you, and I just layered it with some glitter paper as a border, and then these doilies in the back. And then on the side, I did add one of my tassels that I made, my faux leather tassels. I did pick up this tassel cap and chain from Hobby Lobby, and then I also picked up this little cute charm as well that says hello. I think it's in their planner section, and they might be on clearance now, but I did pick up that, and I just added it with an eyelet so it dangles. So when she displays the flip book in her room or maybe on her desk, it would look like that, and then she would see like the cute little dangles on the side. All right, and so that's what that side looks like, and then this is the other side, and I created a pocket using a Spellbinders die right here. I did layer it with some stickers that I think this is a Martha Stewart sticker, and more stickers that I've picked up from Tuesday Morning. And as you can see, that pocket is stuffed. I'm just gonna lay it down a little bit so that you guys can see. But I did stuff the pocket. I did use the Hobby Lobby punch that I just recently purchased, and I punched her out a few tags so that she can decorate them as she wishes. And then I just added this little cut apart from the paper collection that I used, which is from, I believe, Michael's. And then this is some of the cut aparts, and I figured since she's in Australia, she probably does not have this pad, so I went ahead and just cut out some of the little bits and pieces that come with that paper pack. I figured that she could use this in a future project. So I put a bunch of those in there, and then again I did punch out a bunch tags for her in different colors for her to use in future projects. And then this is the bottom of the page, and I just die cut out the word smile. I did fussy cut out the girl, and I think that was just a cute little embellished page, and I really like the way the pocket looks. So super, super pretty. All right, and then as you open it up on the inside, this is the next page. This is the middle, and I did use one of the plastic sleeves, and I made a little shaker out of it, and it says always look on the bright side. What does it say? Always look on the bright side of life. And I just added some sequins in here and some washi tape on the gussets, and you can see that little charm right there. I also got from Hobby Lobby as well, and I thought that was really pretty, just dangling on the inside of the pocket letter. I hope that's focused, y'all can see. And I just used some really shiny glittery paper right here and to cover up the flap of like the plastic sleeve. So as you flip it over, it looks like that, and it has sequins on that side. And then this is the middle page, and it says dream. And then I used that cute little heart border die that I picked up from AliExpress. And then the tiny little hearts I did pop out, and I actually added them to the back of this, and I'll show you that in just a second. Really, really pretty. And then this is the other page, the inside of this page right here, this one right here. I used that Stampin' Up gift bag that I had recently purchased, and I just made her a cute little treat bag. I stuffed it with a bunch of goodies. I won't take those out. I did make this rosette. I think that's a Tim Holtz rosette. Layered it with some vellum, and then my little cute little deer, she's from AliExpress, put a little bow on her, and that flower is also a flower that I found on AliExpress as well. I like the way I layered it. I did use this little doily die in the back. And I did pick it up from Tuesday Morning. It was one of those Downtown Abbey dies. I apologize, I did not pull out all the dies that I used on this project. But if you have any questions, of course, just let me know and I'll try to help you if I can. This cute little tassel right here, I just added it to the side, and that's a tassel that I had picked up from Target Dollar Spot a while back. And that is, I think, let me just close it up. Let me share with you the back of the flip book. This is the back, and it says, make time for what makes your heart happy. And here you can see those tiny little hearts that I just added to the back from that tiny little heart banner, and I just thought that was really, really pretty. So I'm really happy with this flip book, and I hope that my swap partner likes the book that I've created for them. I also went ahead and made her a little gift, little goodie pocket. I did make this, and what I did was I shared these little bags with you the other day from my AliExpress haul, but I did stuff them with die cuts because she did, I asked her if there was anything I could cut out for her, and she asked if I could cut her out some bows. She said she loved bows, so I went ahead and die cut out a few different bows for her and put them in these little pockets. So you can see there's several of them in here, and I'm not going to take them all out, but it's stuffed with lots of little goodies. And then I've shared this before, my little faux leather bow. I did put it on a little pop dot, if you can see that. And she can just take this off and use it in her planner or on another project if she wants. And then this little shaker tag right here, I have shared this one as well. It has a little sequence in it. It was a little, this was a tag that I had purchased from AliExpress, and I had turned into a shaker and just decided to use it on this project. And I think this came out so adorable. It's really, really pretty, and I like the fact that she can just, pop that off and use it on a future project, but at the same time it makes the packaging look really cute and really, really pretty. So I hope that she enjoys these die cuts and little goodies that I have put in here for her. All right, that is my quick project share. Feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.